So we finished our boat tour. It was almost 3 hours long and we were alone. It was 300 pesos each, so about $21 Canadian, something like that for 3 hours. And a private boat. It was really very lucky. And now we're just waiting for the sunset. So guys, this is our boat. We saw groups of like 20 people packed on a boat before and we thought that's what we're gonna get. It looks like it's just Natasha and I and our captain. That is so awesome. We are so looking forward to it. El Capitan, or Hola, es Miguel, and he is awesome. He's bringing us to great places. Located in the state of Quintana Roo, Laguna Bacalar, or Lake of Seven Colors, is approximately 42 kilometers long and under 2 kilometers at its widest. And you can see clearly right here the color change. We are going into the Cenote Negro, which is 210 feet deep. Just this little area. Look at that, you can just see the color changing right there. The lake is fed by underground rivers, and this creates sinkholes when the limestone bedrock collapses. These are called cenotes. The Yucatan peninsula is famous for its cenotes and a huge subterranean water tunnel system. The Laguna Bacalar is best explored by kayak or by going on a boat trip. If you are lucky, the tour will give you an opportunity to dive in a cenote so you can explore the floor of the lake. Evelyn and Natasha, like she just said, this is our wet rat look. So we just had our first swim here in Bacalar in the Cenote Negro. What did you think of it, Natasha?
It's beautiful. I wish I could go scuba diving here.
Yeah.
It would be cool to go deeper.
Yeah, we saw some little fish and hopefully we caught some on tape. We have our underwater cameras with us, but it's amazing. You just dive in and you can just see the cliff of limestone. It goes really deep here. It's really cool. So why do we see these 7 colors in the first place? Those collapsed limestone bedrock I mentioned earlier disintegrate and the limestone dust covers the bottom of the lake. This white sand shows in various shades of blue depending on the depth of any given spot on the lake. Laguna Bacalar truly is a secret paradise not known by many. The remote location has kept it resort-free, and the only tourists that are here are backpackers and travel adventurers. You can get here by flying into Chetumal Airport and then take a taxi to the town of Bacalar. A rainbow of 7 colors on the lagoon of 7 colors. Hostels, cheap hotels, and Airbnbs abound. All beaches are private and have a small entrance fee, unless you're one of the lucky few to own a private villa right on the lake shore. And we were wondering because Mexico is very Catholic, very religious, but there must be some ancient rituals, the Mayan rituals. Do people still practice those? Yeah.
To ask for rain, they make a little ritual
To bring the water, yeah.
Form a little clay form, ugly form, and they use that thing to protect the crops.
Okay.
Now when we go to the jungle around the Mayan area, sometimes when we miss something like shoes or cloth or something, they say that the alush take it away.
Okay.
Because those are traviesos.
This is Mayan country, and as Miguel explained, the Mayan culture is still strong in this part of Mexico. If you get tired of rest, relaxation, and frolicking in the gorgeous blue waters, there are a few small Mayan ruins to explore in the nearby countryside. So it's time to go and get dirty now. There's apparently a great place that you can go and rub some natural clay on your body, and it makes your skin really soft. It's going to be a nice way to end our tour. We are budget travelers after all, so we can get a free spa treatment by lathering our bodies with the mineral-rich clay-like sand. Just apply everywhere, let it dry, and rinse off. So fun, you can almost ignore the sulfur scent in the air, and it really did make the skin feel softer to the touch after. You look beautiful! Make sure to explore the cement pirate ship before heading back to the boat. We booked our tour at the Kaipez restaurant in town. The food here was really good. Check out our meal here and other places in my Where to Eat in Bacalar video linked above. So we finished our boat tour. It was almost 3 hours long and we were alone. It was 300 pesos each, so about $21 Canadian, something like that for 3 hours, and a private boat. It was really, very lucky, and we just confirmed a great price for a tour tomorrow for some Mayan ruins. We'll tell you all about it then. And now we're just waiting for the sunset. Laguna Bacalar is my closest experience to a tropical paradise on Earth. If you are looking for a gorgeous, off-the-beaten-path destination that's pretty much untouched by heavy tourism, Laguna Bacalar is the place. Hopefully it will stay like this for years to come. Hit the like button, please leave a comment, and always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. See you soon.